Okay, so we are going to move on to the second question. The second question says find the center and radius of the circle. This. Then I'm going to rewrite the equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equals 0. You can even see that it looks almost exactly like the one we just solved now. It looks like the answer we got from the number one. Okay, so the first step we need to do here is to group. Anything that has x should be grouped to one side. Anything that has y should be grouped to another side. Though the two of them should be on the same side, but they have to be grouped. So I will say grouping. I have x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 6y equals, I want to move this minus 12 to the other side, so it becomes plus 12. Okay, so having done this, the next thing now is completing the square method. So that is the next thing to do, completing the square method. So we're going to apply it in both x and in y concurrently at the same time. Please take note, at the same time, we're going to do the two of them at the same time. Okay, so let me use a square bracket to differentiate the two. For x, I'll have x squared minus 4x, then plus half of 4 squared. So that is completing the square method that I've been doing. So that is minus 4 all over 2 all squared. So this is for then, because we're supposed to do the same thing to the other side. Okay? So we're supposed to do the same thing to the other side. And if we do it to this side, we're adding. When we do it to the right hand side, we'll add. But I want it to be on the same side here. So meaning that I'm going to subtract. So I'll put subtraction. I'll subtract. I'll do the same thing. Right? This board is so small that it will not contain what I want to write here. So meaning that I have to take it one after the other. So this is for x. So let's do for x. After doing for x, we'll do for y. Then after y, we can now combine the two. So please, but assuming I have space, assuming I have enough space here, so I would have been able to do them together. So this is for x. So this will give me x squared minus 4x, then plus, because minus 4 over 2 is minus 2, but because of the square, it will change to plus. So I have 2 squared. So I'm not going to find 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, but I'm going to leave it this way so that it will enable me to know what should be inside the bracket of what I want to do here. Then for this one, I will have minus. What I will have here is 4. So minus 4. Okay? So and that will give me bracket x, because the coefficient of x here is carrying minus. So I put minus. Then what is the number here? 2. Then all squared. Then remember the minus 4 here outside. So this is for x. So this is for x. Then for y, so let me just do this for x. Okay, so let me do for y. For y, if I apply the same method for y, I'll have that this is y squared minus 6y, then plus half of minus 6 plus all raised to power 2. I'll have minus 6 over 2, all raised to power 2. All raised to power 2. Then minus the same thing. Minus the same thing. Minus 6 over 2, all raised to power 2. So and in that case, I'll have y squared minus 6y. If I open this, this will give me minus 6 over 2 is 3. Minus 3 rather. Minus 3 squared will give me plus 3 squared. So I'm purposely leaving this square. Okay. Then for this one, minus 3 squared is what? 9. So I have this. So this is for y. Then I can now combine the two. Combining the two, I will have that this is x minus 2 all squared minus 4, then plus, I'll now go for y squared minus 6y, sorry, brackets, okay, sorry, I made a mistake here. I didn't complete that of y, please. So I didn't complete that of y. So that to say that for y, I'll have y squared, sorry, brackets y, because the coefficient of y here is carrying minus, so I'm going to put minus here, then 3 all squared, then minus this 9. So this is for y. So I'm now going to combine. So combining, I will have x is x minus 2 all squared, then plus, sorry, minus 4, then plus this y on y minus 3 all squared, then minus 9. All of this equal to 12. Okay. Then I can now take these ones to the other side. Minus 4 to the other side, minus 9 to the other side. So I'll have that this implies x minus 2 squared plus bracket y minus 3 squared is equal to 12. When I bring minus 4 to this side, it becomes plus 4. I bring minus 9 to this side, it becomes plus 9. Okay, so please let me complete the solution here. So in that case, I'll have this is x minus 2 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared is equal to 12 plus 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 12 is 25. So I have 25. So now I'm going to compare this equation with this. I'm going to compare this one with this. Okay. So comparing with bracket x minus a all squared plus bracket y minus b all squared equals r squared. So it simply means it implies that a is equals to 2, b is equal to 3, and r is equal to just find the r equals to 5. Okay, so these are the answers. Okay, so the center is 2, 3, while the radius is 5 units. The radius is 5 units. Please manage me because of space. The center is 2, 3, while the radius is 5 units. Thank you for listening.